Good morning, guys. So it's been a while. I shared a bit about analysis, breakdown, and all. So we will be looking at this pair. But before then, um, let me send this to the group. You can sell at CMP. Or at what's the price level here? Let me see the price level that we have here. Or at this area. That's if it comes back up. I doubt if it's going to come back up. Yeah, but in case it comes back up, let's see. Full screen, let's see. In case it come back up on full screen, let's see what we have. Let's see if it come back up. We should enter around here. 216685 216685.23 216685.23 or at 216685.23 or at 216685.23. Then where could be our stop loss? TP at 24499.20. No, that's my own TP. 27610.67. 27610.67. SL around 219575. SL at 219575.39. 219575.39. So that's the trade idea for this. So let's come down to the breakdown of the analysis. Let's come down to the breakdown of the analysis. Come to the weekly time frame. Basically, here we've been having downtrend lately. And this is we've been having downtrend lately. And how do we know that? You can see price has been dropping down from this area. This is the overall price we've had the past few years or months that this pair has been launched by Deriv. If we go to the monthly time frame, can you see it? So now what we are anticipating is this. What we want to see is this. We want to see price we want to see price breaking this area. That's 272595.92. If price could break this area, this angle, then we could see more buyers pushing up to this upside. Target here, and here. So basically now we are still bearish. There is no bullish. We are not bullish yet on this pair. So you have to, since you've seen the clear view now on the monthly time frame, you go back to your weekly time frame, look at what you are seeing, try to point out what is showing you, right? You can see that here we have price got to this area and did what, and retraced back down to this low. So again, price respected this guy here, not reacting to this guy, but reacting to the previous spinning top here, reacted to this guy here and couldn't break through, then started falling. So now we just have to anticipate our bearish continuation, meaning that we could be going for more sells down to this zone. We might break it, and we might not break it, but then we don't need to aim too high, we just need to aim at this level. So at that level we want to aim out for, that's where we could put our swing TP, and that's that was 177458. 177458. If you come to daily, now let's go back to weekly. Let me zoom out so you can see it clearly. You can see what pattern we've had here lately. You can see the pattern we've had there lately. We've had this kind of pattern here. Can you see the bearish form pattern we had? Can you see? So let's come back to candlestick. Since today is Sunday, if this weekly candle should give a sell form, then we should be having our sell should be active today. But if it's not active today, then tomorrow we should. But then on the other hand, based on what the daily time frame is showing us, daily time frame is telling us that we still have a sell down to this zone here. Once sellers can tap this liquidity, can take out this liquidity, then we could be anticipating for either a buy continuation back to this high or a sell continuation down to this zone where I marked there. Remember, okay, now let's try to use our Fibonacci. Let's try to use Fibonacci to get those values right. For me, this angle started selling from here. Then I said that we should try to target this low here, but then the overall low is actually here. You can see that our 61.8 value is resting on this zone where I said if price could break this low, if price break this TP here, then you can take more sells down to this 61.8 value level, which is here. So even without the Fibonacci level trying to get a retracement, trying to get the points percentage value where you could be aiming at, see, we got it right. So we have this. I just need to rush through because it's Sunday. I need to attend to some things at service. Yeah. So remember, it's a swing trade. When you're taking a swing trade, at times I don't advise you use stop loss. Just fund your account with what you can risk on that trade and leave it. So that's one thing about me. I don't like using stop loss. Most of all my win trades, I don't use stop loss for them, especially when it comes to swing trade. I don't use stop loss. I only put what I'm willing to risk on that account. If it is $20, $10, $50, just fund it and take the trade and hold the positions. That's all. So that idea really works well, and since I've been using up that idea, I've been having massive win. But then on the other hand, you could see that market price has broken down this area, this level. We've broken down this area here. This is actually a low here. This low here could have called for buys, but then what happened? We break it, and now we had a retest back to this Fibonacci 0.0 level. So now we are taking back the sell down. We are expecting this sell to continue down back to this area, to this liquidity area. So once price can get to this liquidity area, then you wait in the sense that we want to see what's going to happen. If price will break this area with a strong bearish candle, then find more sells entry that you take down and write down to this level here, at 61.8. don't target 100, no, don't do that. Just target this level at 61.8 and hope for the best. At least if you target the 61.8 area and you're able to hold your trade for that long, then you have something. Don't be too greedy, just target the 61.8, then leave the rest for the reef to enjoy. So currently now on H4, we already had our pullback, our buy pullback. It's been there already. That's why I called for sales. Since we already had a buy pullback, so we're expecting this new H4 candle to give us a massive fall. If you can have a massive fall, then TP is us. So that's all for now on this pair. Enjoy, guys.